Hello, everyone.
Hi, friends. Welcome to our English podcast.
Today, we have a very simple English conversation for beginners.
Yes, we will speak slowly and clearly.
Today, we will talk about life, money, dreams, and the future.
So relax, listen carefully, and enjoy the conversation.
Let's begin. How are you today?
I'm good, thank you. And you?
I'm doing well. Today was a busy day for me.
Really? What did you do today?
I cleaned my room, studied English, and helped my family.
That sounds productive.
What about you?
I worked on my computer most of the day.
What kind of work do you do?
I edit videos and learn online skills.
That's interesting.
I enjoy learning new things.
Learning is very important in life.
Yes, especially today.
Do you like your daily routine?
Sometimes yes, sometimes no.
Why not?
Because life can become repetitive.
I understand that feeling.
But I try to stay positive.
That's a good mindset.
Thank you.
What makes you happy in life?
Spending time with family and working toward my dreams.
That's beautiful.
What about you?
Simple things make me happy.
Like what?
Good conversations, peaceful mornings, and learning new things.
Those things are important.
Yes, happiness does not always come from money.
I agree with you.
Do you think money is important?
Yes, of course.
Because money helps us live comfortably.
That is true.
We need money for food, education, and daily life.
But can money buy happiness?
Not completely.
I think so too.
Money is important, but peace and health are more important.
Exactly.
Many people work very hard for money.
Yes, life is expensive now.
What do you want to do in the future?
I want a stable job and a peaceful life.
That sounds nice.
I also want to support my parents.
Family support is very important.
Absolutely.
Do you save money?
I try to.
That's smart.
What about you?
Sometimes I save money, but sometimes I spend too much online.
Many people do that these days.
Especially with social media advertisements.
Yes, they make everything look attractive.
Very true. What is your dream job?
I want to work online and become financially free.
That is a popular dream now.
Yes, many young people want freedom.
Would you like to start a business one day?
Definitely.
What kind of business?
Maybe a media company or online brand.
That sounds exciting. Everyone has dreams.
Yes, dreams give meaning to life.
What is your biggest dream?
I want to become successful and help my family.
That is a wonderful dream.
Thank you.
Do you think dreams can come true?
Yes, but they need hard work.
I agree.
Nothing happens overnight.
Exactly.
Many people give up too early.
Success takes time and patience.
Very true.
What motivates you?
My future motivates me.
That's powerful.
I want a better life.
Me too.
Sometimes life becomes difficult,
Yes, everyone has challenges.
but difficult times make us stronger.
I believe that too.
What is your dream for the future?
I want peace, happiness, and success.
Simple but meaningful dreams.
Exactly.
Do you want to travel someday?
Yes, definitely.
Which country do you want to visit?
Maybe Turkey, Malaysia, or Dubai.
Nice choices.
What about you?
I want to travel around the world.
That sounds amazing.
Traveling helps people learn about different cultures.
And meet new people.
Exactly.
Why are you learning English?
Because English is an international language.
That is true.
English can create better opportunities.
Yes, especially online.
I also want to communicate with people around the world.
English is very useful for that.
How do you practice English?
I listen to podcasts and watch YouTube videos.
That's a good method.
Sometimes I repeat sentences loudly.
That improves speaking skills.
Exactly.
Do you feel shy speaking English?
Sometimes, yes.
Many learners feel the same way.
What advice do you give beginners?
Don't be afraid of mistakes.
Very good advice.
Mistakes are part of learning.
Absolutely.
Practice every day, even for a short time.
Consistency is important.
Yes, small daily practice creates big improvement.
I like that sentence.
Thank you.
Let's ask some fun questions.
Okay.
Tea or coffee?
Coffee.
Why?
Because coffee gives me energy.
Nice answer.
What about you?
Tea.
Morning or night?
Morning.
Why?
Because mornings are peaceful.
I prefer nighttime.
Really?
Yes, I feel creative at night.
Interesting.
Books or movies?
Movies.
Why movies?
Because they are relaxing and emotional.
Good choice.
What about you?
I enjoy both.
City life or village life?
Village life.
Why?
Because it is calm and peaceful.
I understand.
Life is not always easy.
Yes, but we must keep moving forward.
Every small step matters.
Never stop learning.
Never stop believing in yourself.
Your future can change with hard work.
And patience.
Exactly.
Thank you, everyone, for listening to our podcast today.
We hope this conversation helped your English.
Practice English every day.
And don't be afraid to speak.
See you next time.
Take care, everyone.
Goodbye. Do you have many friends?
Not many, but I have a few close friends.
I think close friends are more important.
I agree.
What do you usually do with your friends?
We talk, drink coffee, watch movies, or play games.
That sounds fun.
What about you?
I enjoy deep conversations with my friends.
About what?
Life, dreams, relationships, and the future.
Those conversations are meaningful.
Yes, good friends can support us during difficult times.
Absolutely.
Do you think friendship changes with age?
Yes, definitely.
How?
When people grow older, they become busier.
That's true.
Sometimes friends move away or start new lives.
But real friendships stay strong.
Exactly.
Do you prefer spending time alone or with friends?
Honestly, both.
Same here.
Sometimes being alone helps me relax and think clearly.
And spending time with good people gives positive energy.
Very true.
What qualities make a good friend?
Honesty, kindness, and loyalty.
Those are important qualities.
What about you?
Someone who listens and understands me.
That's beautiful.
Technology is everywhere now.
Yes, life is very different today.
How often do you use your phone?
Honestly, too much.
Same here.
I use my phone for work, entertainment, and learning.
Social media can be useful sometimes.
Yes, especially for learning new skills.
But sometimes people spend too much time online.
That's true.
Do you think social media affects mental health?
Sometimes, yes.
Why?
Because people compare themselves to others too much.
I agree with that.
Everyone only posts the best moments online.
Not the difficult moments.
Exactly.
Do you take breaks from social media?
Sometimes I try to.
Does it help?
Yes, I feel calmer and more
That's good.
What do you usually watch online?
English videos, podcasts, and motivational content.
That sounds productive.
What about you?
I watch documentaries and business videos.
Nice.
Technology is powerful if we use it wisely.
Very true.
Do you think life will be different in the future?
Definitely.
How?
Technology will become even more advanced.
I think so too.
Many jobs may change in the future.
That's a little scary.
Yes, but it also creates new opportunities.
That's true.
What kind of future do you want?
A peaceful life with happiness and stability.
That sounds wonderful.
I don't need a perfect life.
Me neither.
I just want good health, peace, and meaningful work.
Those things are very valuable.
Where do you see yourself in 5 years?
Hopefully working online and traveling more.
That sounds exciting.
What about you?
I want to improve my English and build a successful career.
You can definitely do that.
Thank you.
Never stop believing in yourself.
That's important advice.
Life changes slowly through small daily actions.
Exactly.
One good habit can change your future.
I completely agree.
Thank you so much for listening to our podcast today.
We hope you enjoyed this English conversation and learned something new.
Keep practicing English every single day.
And don't forget to subscribe to Story Talk FM for more easy and relaxing English podcast episodes.
See you in the next podcast.
Take care, everyone. Goodbye.